Hello guys, in this video you will learn how to crack password hashes using John the Ripper and Hashcat. First, you will have to identify the hash that you want to crack, then get the kind of hash that it is, that's know the mode, either SHA-256, SHA-512, etc. Then we will use John the Ripper and then we'll use Hashcat to crack the password respectively. So I'm going to cd into a folder I already created. When I list the content, you see that we have hash.txt, and what it is basically is just a hash string that I've saved as a text file. So basically, this is the hash that we want to crack. Okay, so we're going to try to identify the type of hash that this is. So I'm going to copy it. And then to identify the type of hash, we can either use hash identifier to do that or some other tools. So I'm going to use hash identifier, and to do that, you're going to enter the command hash identifier. And then we are going to paste the hash that we want to identify. And then hit enter. And then it identifies the hash for us. And then the possible hashes, as you see here, is saying SHA-256. So this is the most, this one has higher probability of being the hash. Then it also has least possible hashes. Okay, so we are going to go with SHA-256. All right, so the first part is done. We have to identify the hash, the kind of hash this is, and we've identified that this is a SHA-256 hash. Next, we are going to use John the Ripper to crack this password hash. Let me split my screen. And over here, I'm going to use John the Ripper. And to do that, you enter this basic command. It's going to be John, then the text file containing the password hash, which is going to be hash.txt. And then you want to specify the word list. And then my word list, I'm going to use rockyou.txt, and it's located at the user share word lists rockyou.txt. And then the format that we identified as SHA-256, we are going to specify it like this: format raw SHA-256. Okay, then we are going to click enter. After this, then we need to show the password that has been cracked, and to do that, we are going to enter this command also, hash.txt show format (256) and hit enter. And as you can see, it has identified the password as Manchester. Okay, so John the Ripper has been able to crack this password successfully and identify the password hash as Manchester. All right, so next we are going to use Hashcat. Hashcat is a very fast and popular tool also that can be used to crack password hashes. Before we use that, we need to get a hash mode, because for each of these password hashes, for example, SHA-256, SHA-512, MD5, Hashcat uses a specific mode to identify them, and to do that, we need to get the Hashcat mode for the particular hash that we want to crack. To get the Hashcat mode for this identified SHA-256 password hash, just type on Google Hashcat modes, click on the link, and then you can see the various hash modes for each of the password hash types. And then we are looking for SHA-256. This is it. So the Hashcat mode we are looking for is 1400. Okay, so you can close this out. To use Hashcat for this now, we are going to type Hashcat, Then the mode that we identified as 1400. Then we want to specify the hash text file. So it's going to be hash.txt. Then we want to specify the word list to use for this cracking. So it's going to be our rockyou.txt file at user share word lists rockyou.txt, and then we are going to hit on enter. Okay, so the command ran successfully, but it's not displaying the cracked password for us. This is common with Hashcat, and what is happening here is because Hashcat uses like a port file or a cache system to save a password that it has cracked before. For you, this will be different. It will, if you are running this for the first time, it's going to display the cracked password for you. And here I'm going to show you how to view the password when you are running this for the second or more time. Okay. Similarly, you're going to type hashcat -m 1400. Then you want to type show, okay, and then the hash.txt text file. Go ahead and click enter. All right, so here is the password hash, and then as we had before with John the Ripper, it identified the password as Manchester. All right, here you go, guys. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.